level. So we're going to do a little review of the 2022 Cosmic Fireworks brochure. So we'll go through it. So first page, we've got selection boxes. So the first of the boxes here, the Orion box, 12 pieces in there, all the small pieces really. Our smallest selection pack, perfect for those who require a gentle but elegant display, RRP 1750. So obviously this year we are going to see some price increases, along with everything else, like the fuel and the gas and the electricity and pretty much everything is going up. And unfortunately fireworks is also going up quite a bit, and hasn't helped that they're hazardous, so it makes it even more difficult to bring them in. So some of them are quite steep. So as I say, the smallest box, excuse my dog's buddy trying to make a nest or something. So anyway, yeah, smallest box, 1750 is the retail price. So Cosmic have historically been sold at kind of discount prices in a lot of places. So you know, you often used to see them for buy one get one free, that kind of thing. So yeah, cheapest box this year, 1750. So it's a pretty small box. I've seen it physically in my friend's shop. It's pretty small. Apollo's the next one up. Quite a big jump in price there, of £10 on the retail price. 18 pieces. There is a fair bit more gunpowder though in this than the small one. It's quite a jump in gunpowder as well. So it's actually not, you know, when I looked at it last year, it was looked like a reasonable little box for the price it was. Although that is a bit of a jump in price this year. I'm not sure how much it's gone up exactly, but it's gone up a bit. Next one, you've got this Gemini box, 22 pieces, retail price of £42.50. Now these boxes, they are pretty much just fountains and pour rockets, really, 1.4 rockets. Some very small caliber candles and shot tubes, so certainly nothing spectacular in this. Not really my cup of tea personally, but if I was going to get one of these, and you've got another bigger one here retailing at £72. Again, doesn't look like any cakes in there. Not really my cup of tea for that kind of money. If I was going to buy one, I'd buy the smallest one, cheapest one, and then buy some small cakes and some 1 free rockets. Yeah, that's what I would do anyway. I wouldn't bother wasting my money on some of these medium-sized boxes, because they're usually a bit pants from most of these kind of companies. Yeah, so the next biggest one, Columbia, 30 pieces, £112 retail price. Again, it doesn't really look like any cakes in there. Potentially maybe a couple of cones in it, but maybe a mine or two, maybe a couple of mines in there, but not much in the way of cakes, which is a shame really. The biggest, well, a bigger one again, the Discovery box, 35 pieces. Can't see that there's any cakes in there. Just looks like a lot of fountains again, maybe a couple of slightly bigger cones, bigger candle in there, retailing at £157. So quite pricey. Then you get onto some of their bigger display pack section there. So this is new, this one. So the Mardi Gras is so quite a big pack of some of this in some of the barrages. Scorpion King, I know they sell that individually. Looks like maybe a couple of Roman candle barrages there. The Rockets, Star Trooper and Space Raider they are 1.4G, so I wouldn't expect too much from the rockets, but the cake should be alright though. A few shot tubes in there, retailing at £425. Oh, you got a missile cake there as well, 300 shot missile cake, so yeah, not too bad that one. Then you've got the Terminator box. Now it says 1.3G here, but the two rockets I'm sure are 1.4G, the Star Trooper and Space Raiders. And then you've got, I guess, hopefully some of these cakes would be 1.3G. Then not sure if all of them are or not. Description there, smallest 1.3G display pack. Now I know the rockets aren't 1.3G, so it's a bit of a shame really on that one. But retailing at $5.25. So yeah, the Predator display pack. I think it's like the biggest display pack that they do. It's been out for a little while. This one looks like the pick of the bunch for a display pack, really. It's been out for a few years, and you've got some really nice looking rockets there. Proper rockets, 1.3 I guess by the look of them. And good cakes, fan cakes. Apparently the calibers were quite large when it came out a few years back, so hopefully they've stuck with the larger calibers on some of these pieces, and if they're 1.3G as well, it'd probably be quite decent. Retail price of $7.25, so it's kind of display pack really, whole display. Got this small barrage pack here, so you've got some barrage pack section now. So this small barrage pack, 5 cakes, total of 93 shots in the pack, £110. It says this powerful barrage pack make you the envy of every bonfire party with its mind-twisting effects. So yeah, no 1.3 sign, so I guess I'm 1.4, but yeah, the price is quite reasonable really for five cakes. Mother of Thunder, this is a good one. I've had this actually, 1.3G, 103 shots, all very powerful cakes actually. These are really good. And only £120 on the retail price, so I would say that is probably the pick of the bunch to get from Cosmic. Good price, good power, good effects. That's, for me, that's probably the one to get really. You got this one, which is it's like a kind of quite a good value barrage pack, so not 1 free, but you get 10 cakes in there. Total of 196 shots. I watched the video, not overly powerful, but good value. So people just wanting a lot of barrages for a small price. It's good value. Yeah, it's quite a good little pack for value. So so there you go. You got quality, quantity. Depends what you want. Rocket packs. So I'm guessing these are 1.4G. Titan. Retail price of £10. It's good, especially if you can get them for discount price that they probably will be sold for at a lot of places. Fab, little small kind of bottle rockets, RRP of £12. Get a few more in there though than that pack. Star Trooper, so this was the one in some of those barrage packs earlier. RRP of £18. And you can see the effects there, crackling stars and etc. Now I'm sure these are 1.4, although it's got the 1.3 sign here. I'm pretty sure that's just for these Starfighter rockets, which are 1.3. I know that, I've had them before, and they're good little pack of rockets. They are double burst. So yeah, they are actually, they're good rockets. They are. If you find them, definitely worth a punt. They are, the Starfighters. I wouldn't bother with any of the other ones though, personally. More rockets. Space Raiders, that was the other pack in some of those display packs. £24 retail price. Stunning effects. So yeah, you got that. Alien Invaders, again, it's a pack of 9 rockets. Retail price of £33. assorted rockets, an abundance of colour and noise. But they are 1/4, so don't expect too much if you're an enthusiast like me. Some 1/3 rockets, so these are more my kind of rockets. You've got the Space Hawks, which are always good. I've been having these for like a good few years now, and they never disappoint really. Certainly up there with the rest of the Hawk variants, and yeah, very good, very good. Not much difference in between all the Hawk variants, but these I would say are probably top 3 or 4, something like that, out of the variants. So, and then they've got these new ones, Super Hawks. I've actually been told though that they're exactly the same as Space Hawks, so not sure if that's correct or not, but there you go. So 2 packs of Hawks. Retail price of £45 each for the 5 rockets. They are very powerful, so these are probably the best value powerful rockets that you can buy. You get 5 in there, and yeah, you're probably going to get them cheaper than that retail price. So yeah, very good value for money, these rockets. They perform, you know, not far off the big rockets that sell individually for around £20 each, so good value. More rocket packs. Space Vipers, I've not had these, but Twin Burst, their own version of Twin Burst, cosmic version, 1.3G, retail price £50, and a 5-pack of rockets. Star Destroyer rockets, so this looks like a 1.4G rocket pack. 15 rockets in there, £53 retail price. Black Geminis, these are meant to be quite good. I've never had them myself, but £70 retail price, and you actually get 9 rockets in the pack. So that looks like good value as well, to be fair. They're quite big. I've seen them in my friend's shop, and they're a reasonable size pack of rockets, that is, so not bad for the value, I guess. Space Shuttle, it's a big pack of 1.4G rockets, which not really my cup of tea, but some people might like that kind of thing. Retail price £82. So excuse my phone's a bit, the camera on my phone's a bit busted. Will be when I do my next any firing videos. I'll be using my wife's phone, so the camera's perfectly fine on that one. We've got here some the largest rocket packs that they've got. So this one looks cool. I've not seen this before or fired it, but it looks like good sized rockets there. And called Cyber Assault, pack of 5 XL rockets. Retail price of £95 and 1.3G power. So they look quite good, they do. These, I think I've had 2 packs of these when I first got into fireworks, and they're really good. Great rocket pack they are. 1.3G. You get 30 rockets in there, and yeah, really good good pack of rockets. Really nice effects and a really nice range of different effects. Very punchy, good bursts, loud. Very nice pack of rockets, that is. Retailing at $130, so yeah, really good. If you like rockets and you don't mind spending a bit of money for a good assortment of rockets, I'll definitely recommend getting that, and maybe a pack of Hawks, pack of their Space Hawks. That would be all you need, really. I wouldn't even bother with these bigger rockets. I don't think they're good value, really, for me. I'm not sure why people bother with them, to be honest, although you do get the big whoosh when they lift, and do get a good boom off of them, and you know, they just go really high. That's the problem with the big rockets, they go really high and you don't really see, compared to a Space Hawk, it's not a massive difference in the burst size because they burst so much higher, but the retail price is £40 each. Death Star, large single rockets. They're quite cool. I've had these before. They are good. They're a good rocket. I'm not disputing that. I just think that the Space Hawk is, I think that's kind of all you need, really, for rockets. So, onto the cakes. We've got small cakes, so 72 shot missile cake, £7.50. Airstrike, a 12 shot cake, retailing tenner. Nova Star, 19 shot cake. I tried to look for a video of this, but I couldn't seem to find it. Although there is a QR code there, so maybe I'll try it after. I'm expecting that to be a small caliber, £14 RRP. Looks alright there, actually. Comet Chaser, so it's a comet cake. 20 shot cake, retailing at £15. The name gives away the effect, so I don't think there'll be any bursts, but just different types of comets rising up. Doomsday, 21 shot cake, retailing £20. Another 21 shot cake, Firestorm, again £20 retail price. Martian Attack, so my friend's always going on about this one. There's really good cake and a really good seller for him in his shop. He buys quite a few of them, goes through quite a lot. So yeah, I can recommend that one. My friend says it's very good value cake. 32 shots, retail price of £24. I know it's a 20ml cake. I've seen it. I've not seen it fired, but I've seen the physical cake. So that's meant to be pretty decent little cake. Neutron Bomb, 16 shot cake. It's quite a tall, large caliber cake, retailing at £25, but it's not 1.3G, so, but you know, some people aren't bothered about that. Loud, yeah, we know about this one. This is quite a famous cake for Cosmic, really. It's very loud, very powerful. I think this might be a 25ml bore on it. 20 shot cake, retailing at £24. Is in that Mother of Thunder pack that I pointed out earlier. Good, powerful cake. Sky Monkey. It's quite a good, I think it's a missile cake. Yeah. Proven favourite. Manic Whistling Missiles. 160 shot missile cake. Yeah, it is actually. You can see the little kind of tips on it. So it's alright. Screaming Vampires, 300 shot cake, £30 retail price. Scorpion King. So I think this is a 25ml caliber. I've seen it in the shop again. £32 retail price. So 19 shot, 25ml. Some other, well, I'm pretty sure these are also 25ml. I think there's like an assortment of those three. £32 each retail. Stingray, 130 shot cake. It's good value cake, this, although it's probably all comets, no bursts. But good value, really. Retailing at £35, 130 shot cake. My dog that is falling asleep on the book. So what else have we got? Power Force. I was looking at this one, actually. This is quite a good value cake. It's 1.3G. I've not seen it before, but I'm not sure if anyone's seen it, but it's a 40 shot cake. It's 1.3G and it retails at £37. So that looks quite good, that one. Demonic Terror. Okay. Demonic Terror. So 20 shot cake. And retailing at £40. So I'm guessing there's quite a decent caliber on that then, size for that. Supernova. This is meant to be good. 19 shot 30ml cake, 1.3G. So my friend tells me this is very good as well. Retailing at £45. Apparently it's pretty powerful, and I've seen the NEC on it. I think it's around the 400 gram mark, so good amount of 1.3G powder in that. What else have we got here? So we've got Comet Blitz, 63 shots, cake, volleys of coloured starbursts. Yeah, looks alright. Retails 45 quid. Apocalypse, another 21 shot cake, although this one retailing at 50 quid. Which leads me to believe it's a larger caliber than the other 21 shot cakes we saw earlier. 25 or 30ml, I guess. Swamp Beast, a 22 shot cake, retailing at £50. Looks like a tall cake. Wicked Gargons. I've actually got one of these, but my one's quite an old version. I've not got around to firing it yet. I bought it off a member who was getting rid of some of his old fireworks. £70 retail price, a 28-shot fan cake. Apparently that's quite good. My friend recommended it. Star Bombard, 38-shot cake. £85 retail. Astral Raider, triangular, 55-shot cake, retailing at £90. Large cakes. So, going up now a bit. £90 retail on this 35-shot cake. Not cheap, not cheap. If you're looking at that price, it's nearly £3 a shot. Although, as I say, they are usually discounted as a brand in most places. So you might get it for around half that, maybe. But some people don't know. Some people go for the full retail price. Sonic Force, 130-shot cake, retailing at £90. A range of effects in that one, so not bad value on that. Raging Raptors. I'm quite interested in this cake. It's a 37-shot cake, retailing at £90. Looks okay. Do you know what? Some people don't like missile cakes, but I do. I quite like them. So, a 1,000-shot Saturn missile cake. £95 retail. I quite like them. Some people don't like them, but I think they're pretty cool. But then again, I like all fireworks, pretty much. Well, not all of them, but I quite like missile cakes, personally. End of Days, this one I was looking at. £100 retail price. It shows as 1.3G, so the performance should be good. And it is 56-shot cake, straight firing. I watched the video yesterday. Yeah, it looks quite good. Not sure, probably 25mm or 30mm caliber, I'm not too sure. But yeah, it was quite good, straight firing cake. War Machine, it's like quite a large 55-shot fan cake, retailing at £110. Quantum Leap, an 80-shot single ignition, retailing at £120. Armageddon, this is a good one. I've had this. I've also had I think there was an older one which was not in this shape. I think it was like a hexagonal shaped cake. But I had this a few years back when I was first getting into fireworks. And yeah, nothing wrong with it. It's very, very good. I think it's 30mm, 55-shot, 1.3G. Powerful cake. Very nice. Nice cake. £125 retail. I quite like these as well. Some people don't like these and they say that they're rubbish and blah blah blah. They'll never have it in their shop. But I quite like them secretly. 500-shot, £125 retail. Not bad, not bad. I like it. Star Collision, this looks quite interesting. A 19-shot cake, retailing at £135. But I've got a feeling it's a 50mm caliber on this, and it's a mine cake, I reckon. So I reckon it will fire. I reckon each of the 19 shots will fire multiple bursts out of it. So I might be wrong though. It might just be a mine cake, but yeah, looks quite interesting. I've always wanted to try it, but it's quite expensive for 19 shots. But I have always wanted to try that though. This looks quite cool. Flaming Phoenix, 80 shots, sorry, 135 retail. Mutants Wrath, 66-shot cake, retailing at £140. Single ignition. Atomic Warlord, a 61-shot hexagonal cake, £145 retail. Radiation Outbreak, 87-shot single ignition, £165 retail. Thunder Dragon, 107 shots, £175 retail. So we're getting into some lofty retail prices here for single ignitions. Sky Spectrum. So this one's shown as new cake for this year from Cosmic. Good to see some companies still bringing out some new cakes in the tough times that we're in. 50 shot cake, £180 retail price. 50 shot cake ejecting with volleys of 5 bursts. So, okay, so a volley firing cake. Looks alright. Phantom Menace. I think this was being sold last year. I've seen this one around quite a bit. 68 shot fan cake. £180 retail price. Rampaging Warlord. 71 shots. £180 retail. This one looks good. Vulcan's Revenge. If you notice, all the ones that look good to me are the ones with that 1.3G badge. Because I know that they're much better than the 1.4 ones. £200 retail though for a 68 shot cake, and it's not even fanned, I don't think. But I would like to have it, but pretty pricey. Bit pricey, but I've always wanted that actually. I've kind of hovered over the buy button quite a few times on that one. Nice looking cake. I would like it. I'd like to fire it. Shadow Warrior. My friend, he usually gets this actually in his shop. It's one of the ones he sells quite often. 84 shot single ignition. So I think there may be some fan bits in there in this one. £200 retail price for a single ignition. Prices are certainly going up, guys. 666 shot Satanic Beast. I must say, I would like to see it fired. I might watch the little video actually after. £220 retail price. Not cheap. Clone Wars, my friend has this in his shop as well. This is a compound. 240 shot compound cake. Retailing at £235. He says this is good. It's the only compound he sells. And he likes this. Finale. Was that Midnight Finale? Midnight Finale. 104 shot. £275 retail. You've got to remember that some of these is going to be the calibers. So if it's got less shots, probably just means it's a higher caliber than some of the higher shot cakes that are around the same price. So that's why you see the variance in price against shot count sometimes. Ground Shaker compound cake, £425 retail. 254 shots compound cake. There's the effects there. 1.3G, so should be good. Oh, hold on. What's that? Oh, it's just another picture of the same cake showing the 3 individual cakes inside the box. So, okay, same one. Matrix Madness. This is meant to be good. 208 shot compound. It's got fan bits in it. I've seen the video. It's 1.3G, and I think it's got quite a decent caliber on it as well. And yeah, it looks. This one does look good. I think it's their biggest compound that they do. £600 retail price. It's good. It's 1.3G. Roman candles. So, shooting stars. Pack of 5. Let's see, single shot. Nice. I don't think they are. This is a pack of 5 Roman candles. They're probably 5 to 8 shots each, but they'll just be little coloured stars. Atomic Boom Roman candles. So these are shot tubes, single shots. Yeah, these are retail £5.50. There'll be a small caliber. Star Strobe. These are alright. £9 retail price. I've had these quite a few times. I'm not sure if they revamped them though. They used to be quite a good caliber on these. Retailing at £9. Pack of 5 single shot tubes. Star Bombs. Pack of 5 twin shot tubes. £15 retail. The large candle, I've always been quite interested in this. Dragon Attack. Never fired it, but that's quite good. It's quite a big one. Big old candle, that. £15 retail, it's not bad. Sky King. Again, twin shot tubes, £16 retail. This looks good, the silver bullet. I've always wanted that as well, never got around to getting it. Retail £17, 35 shots. Thunder Blast, 56 shot candle barrage, £25. Wheels and Mines, 2-pack of the Devil's Mines. I've been doing these for some time now. £18 retail. Pack of 3 Catherine wheels for £12 retail. It's good value. They got this big wheel. I actually had this last year on Bonfire Night myself, retailing at £32. I can't remember how much I paid for it last year. It may have been about 15 to 20 quid, but it was good. It was good. It's a big wheel. I fired that in the garden. It was nice. Fountains. They do a pack of cones here, 5 cones, retailing at a tenner. Good price that, really. Glitter fountain. This is a large fountain barrage that they do, like a combination fountain. £11 retail. Erupting Etna, £20 each. These are proper conic fountains, so very good, very high quality. Then you got their sparkler offers, 90p for the giant, which are basically standard size, small ones really. Monster, which are the large ones, 18-inch, and then some super duper sized. Hold on, no, they're actually 16-inch, but you get a 10 in there rather than 5. So when they come in a tube. So yeah, the retail prices are there. And that's it. Got some information there from Cosmic on sales and other bits and bobs. So there you go, guys. That's the 2022 Cosmic brochure. Thank you.